So everyone is praising the braking performance on this bike. There is a reason for that. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This is GT650 and I'm going for a short spin with my friend Jan. So today we're going to grasslands in Bangalore, where we're trying to record some small footage and also take some pictures together. So I'm running close to 10 minutes late, not a big deal. So let me reach there and let me meet him quickly. So you guys enjoy the beautiful ride till I reach his home. So let's get rolling. Yeah, see you in a minute. Look at this climate guys. It's cold, it's airy. It's beautiful weather out here. I love being in Bangalore. It's getting a little harsh on the summers, but nothing to be worried about. We're just crossing the infamous Keyapuram junction. We're reaching there. I think once I cross this junction, it will be pretty empty in the mornings. You see all the bikers over here riding in the beautiful weather in the early mornings. Man. Let me open the throttle a little. This is not some ride or something. It's just me and Jayant. I'm going for a little short spin. Both of us want to click some photos on this new bike. I think you can't call it new anymore, but for me it's still new because it's not much running. I have driven close to 1600 kilometers on this. And the last time I went to the showroom guys for a small problem, they have told me that I have adjusted close to 40 to 50% of my front brake pads, which is weird for driving 1500 kilometers. I understand this is some performance brakes and they go away quickly, but still 1500 kilometers for 50%, then I should change my pads every 3000 kilometers. That's scary guys, because I think each front pads, the set cost close to 3k I believe. I think they have both front and rear cost 6000 just for the brake pads. These are very expensive brake pads guys. These are from the bike brake, which is Bike Brembo. So everyone is praising the braking performance on this bike. There is a reason for that, because Royal Enfield has used very good braking pads on this. So I think that's why they go away quickly, and I understand that. But still I believe 3000 for the brake pad set, I think that is pretty fast, I believe. I mean that's going away very quickly. Because considering you are going on a very long ride, like going long distance tour interstate, multiple states in a single journey, I think you have to carry your own brake pads as a backup, because you never know when you run out of them. And the thing is, you rely most on the front brake on this bike, because this is a forward biased bike, the most of the weight is on the front wheel, so you tend to use your front brake more than your back brake, because the front brake does 95% of the braking job, because even though the back brakes are there, but since the weight, it comes to the physics guys, since a lot of weight is there on the front wheel, the front brakes does a lot of the job of braking the bike. Back brakes are good too, but I get a lot of ABS feedback whenever I use them, so that's why mostly I don't use them much. So I think that's the reason even the showing guard is telling you should use your back brake also a little more, so that the life on your front brake goes a little longer. Okay. Enough of the brakes. This engine, man, this engine. Oh shit, yeah. That's a little bit of unpredictable road. This engine is a gem on roads like this. Like whenever you have smooth roads, you just can cruise very easily. I mean, say very easily. I mean, how many kilometers? People tell you that it is aggressive, you want to tire up. Not really, guys. But if you sit on the right position of how you should sit on a like sport bike, this is not aggressive as RC390 or R15 version 3, but this is a little more aggressive than I think this, you can compare this to something like a CBR 350R if you ever ridden that. This is as committed as that. And coming to the weight of this bike, you feel the weight of the bike a lot during the parking, like whenever you park the bike and you turn off the engine, like whenever you're trying to maneuver the bike in small spaces, you'll feel that it is little difficult to do that, since I think the drive weight of this is close to around 200, 198, 200 kilos. And after the fuel and the engine and all the, including the wet weight, this would come close to around 210 to 215 kgs. Kilometers, what I'm talking about. It's 215 kgs. So this is a heavy bike for a 650. So you should understand the weight inside the parking. But when you come on the road, you tend to forget how heavy the bike is, because it's very easy to maneuver. I can just swing the bike left to right. When the what should I say, handlebar doesn't change much of the direction, you should use your counter steering. I'll make a video on counter steering shortly, because many people, I think, starting to ride should understand the principle of counter steering. Because I'm riding a bike since close to 10-15 years now. But once I understood like what counter steering, how does it work, it improves me as a rider a lot, because when you go heavy bikes, you need to understand how to shift the weight of your bike. Beautiful weather. I'm reaching close to Hebbal now. My friend home is past the Hebbal junction, so I have to cross there. I think I can expect a little traffic over there. This is a short ride. We both wanted to go there for spend some time, remove the stress of work for a bit, and come back, because I had to attend a wedding today evening. So even I don't want to get tandoori fried in the sun today. I don't think it will be so sunny today. Hopefully not. hard on this bike. Any RPM you can go hard on this bike. It just brings to life. Left road here because I need to go straight. Yeah, the signal is open. Let us go. What is that? Take some left or I need to go straight. Oh god, I just need to check that. There is a lot of distance to go. Shit, I think I took a long left. I can go with that road too, but I really want to understand this road better. Told him I'll meet him around 7 a.m. and I'm thinking he'll not be ready by then because he just woke up whenever I called him. Only once I'm back from wherever he wanted me to be. I think I need to take a U-turn after this bridge, right? Yeah, U-turn and just stay after the U-turn. That's what he said to me. Are you Jay? Are you there? Nope. He's not there. Okay, I'll stop recording for now. I'll wait for Jay and start once he's come back.